and that cost me my edges. So at this point, I'm actually worried.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it.
So it's been a while. It's been a while since I came on here. Although I posted a video recently, so you guys should do well to check it out. So this is just me, talking about hair growth and hair care in general. I, for one, I've had my fair share of losing hair, and in recent time, I'm having like excessive shedding. I'm trying to be very open about my process so that you know that you're not alone. So, this is more or less like hair update, hair growth update, and where my hair is at the moment, and what got me to this point, right? So it's no longer news that I recently, had my wedding, and I've explained how I had to, use gel on my hair countless time. I had to manipulate my hair countless time. I had to use accessories countless times. So everything put together was just a lot to bear. But nonetheless, I'm trying to get my hair back. And there are different measures I want to incorporate in my routine. First off is I need to go back to using Ayurvedic herbs. Ayurvedic herbs like the rosemary, the cloves, lavender, fenugreek, and the likes, right? Everything for hair growth. I need to infuse it into my oil, my hairspray, my butters, and the likes. And I also need to start doing prickle treatment again. That's the flaxseed gel, the aloe vera gel, and so on. Because I feel like Ayurvedic herbs is just, the thing. It's just the it thing, right? It's just something that would help to rejuvenate my hair strands, help to reduce shedding, help to reduce hair breakage, help to restore my hair to the natural shine, natural bounce, length, and everything. So I need to get back on my Zoom. I need to get back on my Zoom. There's no need crying over spilt milk. Like the hair I've lost, I can't get it back. The edges I have lost, I cannot get it back. Do you understand? The only thing I can do now is to regrow my edges, is to, regrow my hair to where it was and even way more than the way it was. And that is why I need to prioritize my length retention. I purposely did a low manipulative hairstyle. As you can see, I'm on cornrows. So this is what I'll be having for the next couple of weeks, pending when I'll do another hairstyle. And while I'm on cornrows, I will try my possible best to moisturize my hair, to keep it protected with bonnet, to use a chiffon ribbon like this. So this will actually help me over time, because this will prevent friction that will lead to further breakage. Right now this is the length of my hair. My hair has grown quite alright, but I feel like it would have been more than this if I had kept my hair all along. But there's no how. When you're doing events like that, you would have your hair manipulated. So there is no way I would have been able to protect my hair during the course of that period where I was using gel, where I was, manipulating my hair and all of that. But nonetheless, this would help prevent friction. It will help my, hair, the tip of my hair to be tucked in. So all I need to do is just to pack it like this and tuck it in like this. And possibly just make like a swoop around. Do you get something like this? Do you understand? So that the tip of my hair will not keep rubbing on my clothes, that will lead to friction and further lead to hair breakage. Do you get? So these are just like the preventive measures I'm currently taking, because we need to get our hair back. So I was talking about my edges the other time, about how I lost my edges and I was having like a bald spot. I think I still have a bald spot here, right? So this is due to the fact that I was using gel back to back. I was using gel back to back for like 5 to 6 times thereabouts. I kept using gel over and over again. Edge control, your gel, both the thick one, both the watery one, both the light one, whatever it is, I was using gel, and that cost me my edges. Yeah, because I usually have like fuller edges, but now I don't know what's happening. I really don't know. So this just goes to show that excessive use of gel will only cause harm to you rather than good. So if you're the type of girl or lady that loves using gel over and over again, it could have adverse effects on your hair. It could have adverse effect on your hair. apart from the fact that you are doing hairstyles that will cause tension to your edges, which could lead to loss of edges, right? Using edge control and the likes can cost you more harm than good. So yeah, this is the current state of my hair. This is where we are at. I've lost edges. My hair is currently shedding excessively, and I'm even considering doing a protein treatment for my hair to get it back in shape and form. Yeah, because I usually say that shedding is normal. What is all this? I usually say it's that shedding is normal, but when it is in excess, that's when you should be worried. So at this point, I'm actually worried. I'm actually worried. So I need to, incorporate protein treatments to strengthen my hair strands. Our hair is primarily made of keratin. So, and keratin is a protein, so you need protein treatment to strengthen it even further. So yeah, that's enough rambling. That's where my hair is at. I intend to do low manipulative hairstyle for a while. I intend to moisturize my hair. I intend to put it in a bonnet. I intend to do a protein treatment. I intend to use Ayurvedic herbs in form of oil, hair mist, and the likes. So that's basically it. I will see you guys in my next. Bye, guys.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it.